Watch that main support there, it's unstable.
Yeah, I see it. Let's clear this section first before we hook up the line.
Pull it slowly!
Keep the tension high. Watch the wheel, it's dragging. We need to document the panel gaps before extraction. And this fender gap is definitely out of spec. Oh, slow, slow, slow. Hold.
All right, driver, keep it coming back slowly, clear on the left. Hold it right there, perfect, we're good to drop.
All right, bring it forward just a touch. Looks good right there. Perfect, let's get started. Hood,
Grill.
bumper, headlights, radiator.
Clearance on the passenger side.
Okay, bringing it over, watch your hands.
Easy down, locked in.
Wow, that looks incredible.
The lines are perfect.
Ready for the next stage. Guide it down slow, watch that mount. I got it, it's lining up now. Looks good, it's seated.